Hello friends, welcome to Learn Report. I swear this is the last part of bubble shorting. So let's begin and wind up this video. So let's go further. Advantages of bubble short. Bubble short is very easy. Yeah, we know we did it. That we learned, right? Okay. Oh, it don't require additional memory. Yeah, true. I already mentioned that. See, we don't need an additional space. Okay, it is stable, like meaning that elements there with the same key value maintain their relative order in the shorter. Yeah. Okay, what is the disadvantage? So bubble short is easy to understand and to implement. Oh, it should be in the advantages, right? Comment me if you are thinking the same. Okay, it does not require any additional. Wait, wait. Okay, something is wrong. Wait. Okay, guys, let me fix that. Okay, let me fix that. Yes, guys, I'm back. Sorry for that disconnect. Okay, so what is the disadvantage of this bubble shot? It has a time complexity of n square, man. It is quite high as we compare to quick shot or much shot. It's very high, right? So this is one of the worst one, like the disadvantage, main disadvantage. Okay, it's very slow for large data set. Yeah. For large data set, it is very slow. So another thing is bubble shot has almost no or limited real world applications. Yeah, true, because we are applying it for the small data sets, right? In this world of full of data, everything is data, right? So we can't implement this bubble shot in everywhere. So most are used in academics to teach different ways of shorting. In the upcoming video we are going to see how to make a bubble shot in the recursive one, and we are going to practice some coding related problems and quiz on bubble shot and complexity analysis of bubble shot. So that's it, guys. There is no subscriber in my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. As you can see, nobody is subscribing to me. Okay, guys, and don't forget to click the bell icon and like this channel. Okay, so thank you, guys. Have a nice day.